a lot of students had been asking me this, at which particular percentile am I going to get NIT or not. I'll be talking about the percentiles and for the general category. So if you have a percentile lesser than that, for EWS you can actually take 1 percentile less, for OBS you can take 1 more percentile less, and so on. But anyhow, I'm talking about top 10 NITs. Few of the examples are Trichy, Rourkela, Warangal and Calicut. You will be getting up CS, no issues, with the percentile of 99 to 100. Your percentile should be in between. Let's talk about the second set of NITs. We can rank it like 11 to 20th NITs. You need a percentile of 98 to 99 between them. And Durgapur, Jalandhar, Raipur, Allahabad, Agartala, Jamshedpur are some NITs. And when we are talking about the NITs where you can actually reach is Sikkim, Goa, Manipal, Puducherry and Srinagar, between the percentile of 96 and ultimately 98. Okay, so this is for I'm talking about the general categories over here. And ultimately when we talk about the other categories, which is going to be the OBC or EWS, just decrease one percentile. So first of all, decrease 1 percentile from these percentiles for EWS, and then 1 more percentile for OBC, and then 1 more or 1.5 percentile for ST and SC candidates. Okay, so do remember that. You make sure that you actually write how much percentile did you get in the comment section. I might be able to reply to all of you guys. I'll be giving you, see, these are all assumptions, these are all predictions. Okay, slight, there would be some slight changes in accuracy, but also do remember, even you can actually let me know which particular NIT do you guys want to get inside. Also remember, there are a lot of NITs where students are going to get benefited with the state quota. Okay, so if you are living in that particular state, you will be getting up some advantages. Such things are not going to be possible in the state like UP. Okay, and ultimately I am going to be also talking about which students should take drop in the next particular video. So you should make sure that you actually subscribe to the channel, and also make sure to follow me on Unacademy. My name is Love Mehan. My Unacademy username is LUVMEHAN. Follow me over there, because I am going to be bringing up a lot of special classes, free classes to cover all of your backlogs if you are a dropper. So stay tuned. Let's meet again. All the best and take care. Bye bye.